Niya na kan sa mo so ngone buli sember chukin imbimbi nga ngo merge ko ribuli. Na pambulo chukin ni bay Toby, daka homework sa daka chukingo. Daka homework go Toby ngo may lambasa ngo.
Toby,
Sina?
Boy.
Iyo,
You know, one day I want to say one story about one of the stars in Lambasa.
Iyo.
I call the name is Rosie.
Iyo, I had to call my name.
AKA, adamo ko rawili bola. AKA, undo makadi ko to kami running guawa. Because one day running guawa. Because sorry Rosie, I want to share this story to encourage people
To the public.
To the public. Don't do this.
Right.
Don't do that. So this fella was there, our sister. Like weekend like this. He was playing around doing whatever he likes to do.
Right.
She was in primary school. But in the morning, when he opened his exercise book, the homework is not yet completed. Nothing even wrote on the piece of paper that was given by the teacher to be the homework.
No name. No name.
Name.
Oi.
Name in the kona na
Booklet.
Boombox warna batara. On the name tag.
Name tag.
So it was there, the name. The fella.
Right.
Early in the morning when the first bus coming,
the
fella start to touch his stomach.
Right.
Oh, okay. Making excuse now.
I would like to say good morning to Sweet Jamaica, to Napana Tajim, to Tinay Anna, Tinay Indiana, Tinay Bianca, Tinay Bianca and Baby Bianca, Baby Indiana, joining from also to Bungalays, to Sabu. To Kay Samu and Bobuchi and the family joining from Sabu.
Right.
So this one during the occasion, during the first bus, he touched his stomach.
Right.
He's paining. He's paining.
Running stomach.
Satu kuno ko ni mo sinakitena.
Oi.
And showing it to the family. Baka masa Baka takilat sugin na lega.
And you know, as parents, when we see our children like that, we feel sorry of them. So we have to look for herbal medicine if we got Panadol there, depending on what sickness we are going through. So this one, the mama, our mother, go outside bring the guava leaves.
Do the surgery.
Surgery ko na basically. Guava leaves for mamaling. May mama. Mamaling.
Mula sir, mamaling gem ko.
Sa mama. You have to swallow the juice of the guava leaves.
Right.
So that can after that. Okay, stay home.
Ju.
Naelewa.
Oi. Okay, change Mandarela Meju.
Rosie, you stay home. Then after that, they're going to town. When they're going to town, Marshall was there at home. As soon as they went the bus, the parents going. This one, playing around.
Finish the running stomach.
Finish.
Whoa.
Namusin kete.
All of a sudden.
So, running, play. After that, in the morning, this is Tuesday. In the Tuesday, this one coming again. And you know, and she never write during the day. Write the homework finish after that. Then he relax.
Right.
And in the morning on Tuesday, the next day, she open the book and write everything. And the mommy like this, hey, what happened to you? This is the reason why you never going to school yesterday absent because of this. Come. Abangan ko virus.
Don't bring the guava leaves, bring the guava branch.
Abangan ko virus si Rosie. May mbakumbaku wala na loma mo na kanila ko babit. Kaya ko rin daw man nga vera rota bimate.
Mula pinakatuwa ng mundo mo.
From there, this is a story. Everybody there, if you know your homework does not complete, finish it.
Right.
Let the teacher, let your parents know to help you write your homework.
Don't running stomach all of a sudden,
If no, you can get sick because you are in a good mood and you use something, very herbal medicine.
Hey, say good morning to this ortonongone bulingo. My Lot 9 Kuti Street by na ontamu.
Ontamu na ba sa?
Iyo. Otonia Tuiviwa, Bulichugana Sangam Nursing School, Olaisa and a Polytech Institute, even Mary Marama and a Holy Family Secondary School, but the Tombia Sanga in Bumbu Sarangaya, Naitalai and a Bethel Primary School, Pinabali Sarasemutum, but they're listening in Boturekuka, Lambasa. The Dom A and the Dom B. They're from the Tailebu, the Lulu Nibakasanga, Bill Kona and Usamati.
Right.
Bakina Tonella ni sama sikisikaine filio kapa chone ombiu. Wabimbi nangoneleo ni mbure chemesa mata suka. Mata musuka ngone ni tadile binabale besar semutumai and matakanikuwa.
I would like to say good morning to all the police clearance officer.
Why?
This is from Center Point.
You get your clearance already?
Went for something. ASP Orisi Kunakata.
Right.
Mbulebela Kadreus. CPL Melaya Nangila.
Right.
Naivingi Rimbua. CPL William Masidola.
Right.
Mbaindamundamu Tabu.
Taboleu.
Boleh tunggu mbaindamundamu. Kantabu.
Oh, Rana.
Iyo, tabu lah. Kantabu. Merseni rua tabu oleh metabu boleh menang marama tahu.
Right.
Saleseni Grace Daria wa inun mbua. Ndore baru le butaka bewa adingo. Alfred Lubukou. Heroi mai sabu-sabu. Sajen Libai Konambu. Mainan rala mainan ronga. Frandes team. Police headquarters Center Point.
This one is different from all of us. He just go to Center Point. He asked for the police clearance. Same time he got the police clearance.
Hey, you the what? Keria?
Keria karena.
So you said something about
drop one bullet di seru o Henry o Naulele o Rudy came out Tamaiju last week.
Right.
What did the fella do?
The fella do. He does.
Okay, who?
Do juice. Tamai Junior.
Yeah.
And Tamai Junior, you know, he not yet married. You know, he ran after the woman.
Yeah.
So he was there in the home, and the father, the parents, was knocking at the window. Not the window, the door of the room.
Small door.
The fellow was inside.
Oi!
Was dating in front. You know that's trespass. Take them to court.
Right.
And then? Mamito Jimbula Binaka and the family. So this fella was there, Tame Junior Nalodi. He go for the girl.
Oi!
Trespass.
Which girl?
No, without permission.
Oi!
So he was...
The permission of who has to give the permission?
From the parents.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, that time was doing... That time was...
But the one, the one only want to go to Ra.
No, the Ra was inside the house.
Yeah.
Hanap na ka ako by Junalodi.
So the Momo then...
Momo was...
didn't know that Nalodi was inside the room?
He don't know.
Oi!
The only thing he know... mula pinaka-paula na kalau this is a family that kona serya hindi na bubalik. Mula pinaka may tao miyaw. From there, he was there in the home, and the parents was coming.
Where?
He see the envelope. Oh, the new one here.
Oi.
Somebody may be inside and calling the girl. Lewa.
Rosie.
Rosie. Rosie. We bought something for you special.
Knocking in the room.
No, he never knocking.
Nalodi there.
And Nalodi was there. And after that, the the sister was around the house. So the fellow was doing the carpentry. He removed all the lubos from there. Want to jump away because he had. If you are inside today, you'll see the fun. The fellow leave the suit, leave everything. With the same underwear running from town.
No clothes. No clothes.
The clothes there, only the...
The one piece.
The one piece. Wangango Junalo, they don't go to those and Berbanton body in the cooks.
They catch him. They catch him.
They make catch in the rare. Kaya naman na kanimuro na kulikila. Emberanga. Tuno na lodi. Ramuso na baybay ngo.
Itong pito na utara siya. Iya kubo ka na pito. Carpentry job boy.
Hey,
Ya, tara ba turo naman man?
Iya, daw mo lang nakamay na police station may sabu-sabu.
Renovate.
Iya.
What's up? Mas
Renovate, renoran.
And he also damaged the window. Anda benar tua dia
Matagali.
Naloti.
Makatay coach yun
Also
naman
from staff of VTFM.
Right.
Vingarami siya na taban no bisa usap.
Ito na bilisin niya. Sama ka ni raw ni Kets ko rin.
Ngay may...
Ito na staff ni taban nila may sabu-sabu. Ya lolo mabibitya ni Benalodi. Kaya pa diyo taga-tuman ni Talno.
Ang kikati mo rin no tamelo
Iya.
Sa kila ko ni turang ni Raya.
Iya.
Munraw nung fiflop. Kaya nung draw yan. Agin to naranator may wala buya sibi.
May usimatan na hindi.
Hindi.
Kanga kon tumbul kina ya. Tumbitu no da kubu ngana pitch.
Kubo de ababaya awu nanom ni arsi bala mura kanita kalaka. Kau kantong gendi menum do kanifam.
Sakalai. Sabi na walip sar di ko lomang.
Right.
Bila tumbebu.
UK.
Boleh re.
Ala tambua. Saya ada benak. Bila sini ya.
Oh, boleh.
Saya ni boleh benak, bina walip sar.
Naka.
Oke rawai matin ratu. Atau saya macam mana city bagi tamer mai serene.
Anda benak.
John Kumar all the way from Barala Valley, anda benak sah?
Iya.
Ele city itu kan bina walip sar ai city itu kana.
Anda benak.
Dombulan.
Ada boli, bina walip sar na sauce.
Iya.
Nama sauce.
John Kumar Rosalia Talefa.
Iya.
Lomsi Johnson. Matthew Rika.
Iya.
Andare apa ni?
Anda benak.
Anda benak kay nongu. Bemil na dalebu.
Iya.
Dobol benak kami sawan menita siri.
Esa.
Bale na dalebu. Mai kandabu. Naika mutu yanra.
Woi, sakina warang itu ngono ke muni.
Arai.
So.
Bil sini andere tu mobil.
Iya.
Na balu miau.
Ya sana kapan tu yang tu
Iya.
So tu bukan tu bulu sar, so bote yang mana.
Iba mana namun di kumainanji.
Odi.
Oiko.
Oyau ko ngangi law bango lutu mandane bola tabu. Nanda ke state way father ni boy.
Anda benak.
Na nonto father ko to anak.
Oh.
Sama itu goberto.
Iya.
Oh, kalau mau soci.
Iya.
Anda benar. Ngomongin tu bibit ke buru-buru racing ni time, dah kan tandu.
Ya.
Kau weni nona dia muri.
Oh, gengo.
Iyo.
Saja na.
Odi. Ay baby.
Ah, baby.
Kau tu musik tali nak kena tandu.
Iya.
Kau nona weni nona dia muri go.
Gorto to bito mga gembil man lur.
Kan dua.
Iya.
Muri na taruh sira.
Alright, matakan kay do mana no share like matakan heart.
Bula Boys Company. Do yang benak.
Ni kalau ngata,
Ni wadengo.
Gondemis.
mau teman tak?